You are welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to look at limits of functions. Okay, we are going to solve this particular equation here. Now this equation is an equation of a limit of n approaching infinity. Limit of n approaching infinity of the function 5n squared minus 1 or on 2 plus 10n plus 7n squared. Now to solve such a limit here, you first of all look at the denominator. Look at the denominator here and look for the highest power of n there. Look for the highest power of n from the denominator of the function. Then divide each term. This a term, that's a term, this a term, that's a term, and that's also another term. Then divide each term with the highest power of what? N in the denominator. So now look at the denominator here. This doesn't have n. This one has n. That one too has n. But which one has the n with the highest power? No, 7n to power 2 has the highest power. Then we divide both numerator and the denominator by what? The n squared. So this is how we do it. Limit of n approaching infinity of 5n squared on n squared minus 1 on n squared, all dividing 2 on n squared plus 10n on n squared plus 7n squared on n squared. So this is the limit. Okay, now we can do some simplification here. This n squared, this n squared. Okay, this n squared, that's n squared. So this place 1n, we go here doing what? N. So now we have our limits of n approaching infinity of the function 5 minus 1 over n squared on 2 on n squared plus 10 on n, then plus 7. So this is our limits. Now we take the limits of each term, taking the limit of each term in this equation. So if you take a limit of n approaching infinity of a function c1 on infinity, the answer will be 0. If you have anything like this, so if you replace n in each of these terms with infinity, so we get 1 on infinity squared, which is the same as 0. This will get 2 on infinity squared, which is the same as 0. This will get 10 on infinity, which is also the same as 0. So we have what? Taking the limit of this whole function. Taking the limit of this whole function, we get 5 minus, this is 0, so put 0 on 2 on n squared, and that's the same as what? 0. So put 0 plus 10 on n, that's 10 on infinity, also give us 0 plus 7. Okay, so now this will be the same as what? 5 over 7. Therefore, the limit of n approaching infinity of the function 5n squared minus 1 on 2 plus 10n plus 7n squared is equal to 5 on 7. And that's all.